and Virgil, the Aeneid, 41. 3.1 The Odyssey, 41. 3.2 The Aeneid, 48. 3.3 The Middle Ages, 55. Chapter 4 Sir Philip Sidney. Astrophel and Stella, 56. Chapter 5 Shakespeare, 72. 5.1 As You Like It, 78. 5.2 Antony and Cleopatra, 89. Chapter 6 Pope, The Rape of the Lock, 98. Chapter 7 Henry Fielding, Joseph Andrews, 109. Chapter 8 Jane Austen, 121. Chapter 9 Charles Dickens, Bleak House, 136. Chapter 10 George Eliot. Middlemarch, 150. Afterword, 162. Selected Bibliography, 164. About. Available under Creative Commons Non-Commercial Share Alike 4.0 International License, http://creativecommons.org/by-nc-sa/4.0. 2013 Theodore L. Steinberg. This work is licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial Share Alike. https://creativecommons.org/licenses/by-nc-sa/40/deed_n_us. Published by Open SUNY Textbooks, Milne Library, IITG Pi. State University of New York at